वेलकम सर इन KDSushma चैनल। आपके कंपनी के बारे में आपके बारे में भी सुना। यू आर बीइंग एज अ मर्चेंट एक्सपोर्टर,
Yes.
so we just want to know about your experience and the learnings in this journey. So about you and your
Okay.
company.
Yes. Generally, I started my career in 2012. I was doing job in Toyota leadership. In 2014, I have exposure in MRF company. Basically, I was a manager in MRF company for 9.5 years. I ended up my career in MRF tires in 2022, and after that, I was doing job in my private limited company. At there, I was handling import and export part over there. So I have a knowledge of import and export documents and all. So after 2 years, 2.5 years of experience, I just made up my mind to do the business of import and export because it's a great exposure in this business.
Okay.
So I just made up my mind and started my business in 2025 years here only. Basically, my company name is Shreeja Exim. Shreeja is my daughter's name, so I just started my business on my daughter's name.
Okay. So what are the products you are dealing in?
I am dealing in basically textile, machinery, medical equipment, and spices, and also I am dealing in according to the buyer's requirement. What buyer require, I can fulfill their requirements too.
Okay. Okay. And currently, which are your target markets you are doing?
Basically, I am targeting right now, as I am new in this business, I am targeting Asian countries and Gulf countries.
Okay. So anything is in the process now, or any order?
Yes, there are many leads I have, but currently I am working in one of leads is of coffee beans. So buyer is of coffee beans in Nepal. So he is coming in coming weeks. He will see the products and maybe
Definitely,
God
the deal
grace
will be
we
closed.
finalize the deal.
Yes, that will be. So, like from the inquiry to the lead generation, the inquiry stage,
Yes.
and the converting that inquiry.
Yes.
As a merchant exporter, like how you are developing the market.
So basically, I am using the social medias like Instagram and metaads to find the buyers. There are many ways to find the buyers. I am also working on embassies like that. But this particular lead I got from the Instagram ad which I had run before 2.5 months. So buyer is interested in that. So we have conversion over WhatsApp, and we also did telephonic calls, WhatsApp calls. So basically, I understand the buyer's requirement, what he actually needs, and according to that, I procure the products from India, and I have collected the samples. So basically, I have given also the rate. So buyer is convinced about the rate. So now he is confident that this man is able to provide me the product. So he is coming to India from the Nepal, and we have meet in coming week.
Okay, great. So, like you mentioned here, the Instagram ads and the Facebook ads.
Yes.
So you are targeting to B2B or B2C? Like how you are campaigning? That?
Basically, I am targeting B2B, the importers and wholesalers of the products. So because they purchase the material in the bulk quantity. If I target B2C, the customer requirement is basically very small.
Yeah, very low.
And if they want to purchase the material but in small quantity, the price ultimately they will pay is more. So I am basically targeting B2B customers.
Okay, and through that campaigns you can direct contact.
Yes,
you can connect them also.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes.
okay. So like what is your other experience being a merchant exporter? Like people are always complaining, I'm not a manufacturer exporter. So why people will trust on me and why people will connect on me?
Yes. So basically, trust factor comes when you communicate with the people through WhatsApp or a telephonic or a Zoom call. So basically, when the people see your face, the trust building started. And when you communicate and you understand the product they need or the problem they are facing, try to solve their problem. The buyer, the lead automatically convert into the lead into the buyer.
Okay. So what your marketing budget for that?
I spend around 600 to 800 per week in these ads, Instagram ads and meta ads.
And once you get the leads, you are just connecting with them, follow up and introduction.
Follow up and regularly follow up. I always send my posters to them. if they require anything. So
Okay.
there are many leads. They just we got the conversation started, and some point it will be stuck. But after continuous following, they are coming up that I require this and this. One of the inquiry I got from Canada is of Baga's products.
Okay.
So I also working on this that lead also.
Okay. So how you decide the territory, or like how to target that market?
Yes. First, I finalize the country basis on the GDP of the country and the population of the country, where you can find maximum buyers of your products.
Okay.
So on the basis of country, I finalize the product, that which products are demanding in that country.
Okay.
Basically, I am not fixed on the products. I work in the live demand of the, because the demand of the product is changes according to the seasons.
Right.
Like for example, mango season. Mango season in India will be from March to June. So this is the period where you can procure the mangoes and also do the export of the same. So I basically work on the live demand of the products.
Okay. And based on that, you target the market.
Yes, yes.
So while targeting the people, like as I understand about the Facebook and Instagram campaign,
Yes.
so you need to like place the people also there.
Yes.
Like, to whom you are targeting.
Yes, yes.
So let's take example, you are targeting to Malaysia or the GCC in
Yes, yes.
like in Dubai, Oman.
Yes.
So to which people you are targeting?
I am targeting the age. People age is 25 to 55.
Okay.
The range, and the man and woman also, and the importers and wholesalers of these products I am targeting.
Okay. Okay. And you are running the ad for the one product and one country like that, or?
No, I am running ad in multiple countries, like 2 to 3 countries at the same time.
Okay, so you're targeting for that particular product to 3 countries.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Like for an example, mango is highly demanded in USA, Canada, and Dubai. So, for example, I am running ad of mango. So I will be targeting in 3 countries.
Okay.
Simultaneously, I will run the ad in 3 countries.
Okay. So far, what is your experience like?
It is good experience. Basically, export is a business where you can explore the world, and there are many opportunities. And through the export, we can give boost to our economy also, as there is a vision of our Prime Minister Modi ji.
Yes.
The third position in the economy. So I'm just trying to give my best to.
Definitely. If everyone will think like that, then definitely India will be the first economy in the world.
And recently, our Prime Minister and Piyush Goyal ji done the FTA with UK. So it will be great boost to the India for the UK in coming months. I think FTA will be inapplicable in the month of October 25. After 2 to 3 months, we will get a good exposure for the Indians.
Yes, definitely. So what do you think that is the most important part in the export-import business?
The most important part is pricing. Then the risk factor. You have also take care of the risk. Like many countries, I don't want to mention the names of the countries, but there are many countries that risk factor for the payment is very high. So I would suggest that you do the business on the advance basis, or any buyer don't want to give advance basis, then you can also do the business on LC, that is the letter of credit. So it will be the win-win situation for both exporter and importer.
So any other thing apart from the payment and the risk?
You have to check the background of the buyer also. Like you run the ad, but there are many people the message you do conversation with you, but you have to identify the leads which are appropriate for your business or not.
Yes.
So these are the things you have to mention.
Yeah, these are the crucial factors.
Yes.
And if we miss in that, definitely the biggest things in the business.
And in this business, most important, you have to be active 24 hours, because the Indian times and the other time,
time zones are
you
different.
have to match.
So be flexible, we can say.
Yes.
That is important.
Yes.
So while discussing with you, you have mentioned your experience in the import also.
Yes.
Right? So what is your experience in the import, and what the products demanded, and how is India market related to import in that particular thing?
Basically, China plays a major role in importing from China because the labor is very cheap in China. So there are many things India right now is not producing. So it will be a import chance also from the China, that we can import from China and do the business in India. There are many things you can do from the China.
Okay. So in importing, there are challenges. We can say the landing cost maybe.
Yes.
So how we can work on that?
So we have to identify first what is the price in India of that particular product.
Right.
Then we have to search the importers from the China or anywhere in the country. Then we have to calculate the cost of the particular product. If it is viable for the importers in India,
Right.
then we definitely do the business with the other countries also.
Yes. That's true actually.
Yes.
So if it is not matching or you're not gaining the profit,
Yes.
then no use of that.
Right.
Yes. So what do you think about the scope of any scope of export business, especially in the other markets, or which countries you are thinking like there?
Major country is like Indonesia, Malaysia, and UAE, Kuwait. You can majorly focus on, as you are, if you are a beginner, as I am a beginner, also focusing on these countries.
Okay.
Because the traveling time and the cost, if any problem occurs, you can easily travel to these countries.
That's very less.
And you can solve the problems. At least face-to-face meeting can be done to the buyers.
Right. That's true.
Yes.
So what are the suggestions you can give to the people?
I would suggest that people, if you are doing a job or anything else, export business you can also do simultaneously, because there are many opportunities in the export business are there. So you can do the export business.
So still people are very afraid to...
Yes, just because
like
I
this.
mentioned that many people are afraid because of payment terms, how payment would be collected, if buyer cheats me, how I can survive. And many people doesn't know how to calculate the cost. So basically the profit in export business is 10x than the business in local you are doing.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
But for that you need to like take more risk also,
Yes.
do the hard work also.
Yes.
So there are a lot of
more
things,
risk,
actually.
more reward.
Yes. Just one question for you, like you left your job and started the business.
Yes.
Many people are stuck in that point only.
Yes.
And they were struggling hard for that, like how I can like jump on that.
Yes.
But they didn't manage it.
Right.
So what is that point, like how they can go?
So if you want to reach somewhere in your life, you have to take tough decision in your life. If you are not coming out of your comfort zone, things will be not easy.
Yes.
Right? You have to be out of your comfort zone. Then the sky is the limit. You can achieve whatever you want.
So maybe while you are taking that decision, you also might be thought about that. What if you fail?
See, I will try my best, and success and failure is the part and parcel of the life. I will fail. If I fail, I will try more. I will give my efforts more, and definitely I will succeed in my business.
Definitely. I just asked this question because people are thinking in that perspective.
Yes.
What if I fail? And that is why they are not actually jumping off.
Right.
They're not taking the decision. They're not breaking the comfort zone, and they are
Right.
just there. Like right now, they are there.
Right.
This is the thing. Yes. So it's a really good discussions. And
Thank you.
Wish you all the best for your future journey.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for giving the time.
Thank you.
Thank you.